In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add invisible rectangle box in Words and Card. Think of an invisible rectangle as a clean layout container you can use to group words and control spacing and alignment without showing a border or background. Start by opening Card and jumping into the site you want to edit. You'll land in the Builder. At the top, click the plus icon to add a new element, and from the menu, choose Container. This container is your rectangle. By default, it's visually neutral, and if you leave background and border off, it stays completely invisible while still giving you structure. Now look at the type setting for the container. For a single block of text, choose default. If you need text arranged side by side, choose columns. Columns split the container into lanes for your words, and on smaller screens those lanes stack automatically, which keeps everything readable. With the container in place, click the plus icon again. You're now adding the content that lives inside the box. Select the element you want for your words. The text element is ideal, and place it inside the container. You'll see it nest under the container in the editor, and a faint outline shows where it sits on the canvas. Type or paste your copy right there. While you're still in the container's options, adjust padding to create breathing room around the text, and set alignment to position it left, center, or right. Keep the background and border disabled to maintain the invisible effect. If you chose columns, repeat the same step to add text to each column and adjust their widths as needed. If something won't drop inside, make sure the container is selected before clicking the plus icon. A highlight indicates new items will nest correctly, and that's it. You've wrapped your words in an invisible rectangle in Card for cleaner spacing, better grouping, and a more polished layout.